Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 18th of October. The euro slowed its appreciation down against most of its major counterparts as market participants prepare for the EU summit. The Eurozone heads of state are due to meet today and tomorrow, and the meeting's agenda is expected to include the ongoing negotiations with Greece, the Spanish situation and discussions on stronger monetary integration. Moody's upheld the Spanish rating at Baa3 yesterday, and this had a positive impact on the troubled nation's borrowing yield. The euro lies above 131 against the US dollar, with a resistance level identified at 131.39, yesterday's high. Any commentary coming out of the EU summit today and tomorrow could move the pair significantly. The Australian dollar continues its advancement versus most of its major counterparts as the recent release of the minutes from the RBA's latest meeting pointing out to interest rate cuts and bullish market sentiment favouring buying the Aussie. Oil dropped versus the US dollar from 92.41 to 91.96, having first recorded a new high at 92.83. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points are 130.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 130.80. The dollar-yen pivot point at 78.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 78.90. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.25. The sterling dollar pivot points at 161.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 161.15. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9810 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9810. Looking at commodities and indices now. The oil pivot point at 92.85 with a preference to enter in short positions at 92.85. The gold pivot point is at 1753 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1753. The silver pivot point at 33.35 with a preference to enter in short positions at 33.30. The US 500 is at 1446 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1446. And the UK 100 is at 5860 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5860. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the UK, we have retail sales month-on-month in September, forecast to rise by 0.4%. In the US, we have initial jobless claims over the past week, forecast at 365,000 new unemployment claims. And in Canada, we have the wholesale trade in August, forecast to rise by 0.1%. And our interesting pair today is the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We saw that the Canadian dollar managed to break through a key resistance level versus Japanese yen overnight. The pair recorded a one-month high at 81.101 after breaking through the 80.80 resistance level. This level is now expected to act as a support and a very good entry point for long positions. Thank you for tuning in to our daily outlook for the 18th of October. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.